Different singer singing the story, but this is the same tune. Girl, so let me tell you something. You don't let the devil humble you. You don't let the devil tell you where your place is. You don't let the devil tell you you too proud. You don't let the devil tell you you think you're better than everybody else because you're not having sex. You don't let the devil tell you just because you don't smoke cigarettes, you this and you think you that. No. God delivered you from smoking cigarettes. God delivered you from wasting your money on a pack of cigarettes. People want to say what you waste your money on. You wasting your money going to the store. You wasting your money buying clothes at the thrift store. You wasting your money buying clothes for $1, but yet they waste their money buying cigarettes that cost $10 a pack a day. They waste their money on alcohol. They waste their money on tobacco. But they want to tell you, they want to humble you. They want to talk about you. They want to tell you what you shouldn't do, but they shouldn't be doing none of the things they doing. They shouldn't be cursing. They shouldn't be lying. They shouldn't be stealing. They shouldn't be smoking cigarettes. They shouldn't be going to the doctor and getting prescriptions for medicine that they addicted to. They shouldn't be on YouTube talking about you, but they still do it. So don't let the devil humble you. Don't let the devil tell you what your place is. The devil don't have a place for you. The devil ain't got a heaven or hell to put you in, so the devil can't chastise you. The devil can't beat you. The devil can't whoop you. Y'all better stop letting the devil do things to you that he ain't got no power to do to you. The devil can't put me in my place. The devil can't stop my blessings. The devil can't tell me what to do. That's a joke. I'm going to listen to the devil tell me you need to do this and you need to do that. You ain't doing nothing that God wants you to do. Why would I listen to a godless person? Y'all better know what the Spirit of God, who the Spirit of God is and who he ain't. Stop listening to people. That first of all, when people say, oh, you need to be humble. Let me tell you something. People come to my channel all the time and say, humble. You need to humble yourself. I block you and delete you from saying that. Because, girl, ain't nobody gonna humble me but God. And God is not telling what is humble. Humble is to not be proud of my relationship with God. Humble is to not know who I am. Humble is to not let the devil put me under his feet, but him under my feet. Is that what humble mean? Humble mean to say what you want me to say when you want me to say it and when you God, please. Is that humble? Humble is letting you say any and everything to me and I don't say nothing back. Huh? What? Humble is me not being smart and being witty. Is that humble? See, I'm humble to my Father in heaven. I'm grateful. I'm thankful to God every single day of my life. I got all humble bones in my body. But it's to God, not to man. It's to God, not to man. I tell the truth and shame the devil, and you don't like it. The devil don't like you telling him the truth. Of course they don't like the truth. God ain't mad at me. You want to know why God ain't mad at me? Because he keep blessing me. You want to know why God ain't mad? He put this truth in me to tell. You mad at me because you sitting over there addicted to drugs, whether they prescription or not. You mad at me because you addicted to drugs. You mad at me because you addicted to alcohol. You mad at me because you addicted to the D and you can't walk away from it. And you mad at me because I used to be that same sinner, but I'm not no more. I ain't never been addicted to drugs, never been addicted to cigarettes, but I have been addicted to the D. And I got rid of all three.